Hi, welcome to my video. This video I'm just going to show you my first real junk journal. My first junk journal, but it's an album as well. You know, I bought these papers from a shop on Etsy. Old-fashioned fairies. It's called Faerie Realm. Oops. Okay, anywho, I've made this with the brown craft paper, and I'm using black accents, and we've got those fasteners on the front, and that's got some beads and dangles on them. So has the butterfly. It's got some charms on it. And on the side, just clipped on the side, there's some chains with charms. We've got a leaf, heart, pearls, dragonfly, another heart, and we've got this, which I recently purchased from Temu. If you've seen my my Temu haul, which I'm uploading at the moment, the fairy on a moon, and I thought that was so appropriate for this. Okay, so just open it and have a look inside. Okay, this paper is absolutely amazing. I printed it out. Okay, it is a junk journal come album, photo album for your photos, your journaling or photos. Isn't that adorable? It's not your sweet little girly fairy. It's, to me, it's from like back in the days when, I can't put it into words. What am I thinking of? When women ruled the world? No. I'll think of it. It'll come to me. But not your Hans Christian Andersen type, but almost. And there's more photos or journaling, and there's again, probably for journaling, these little pieces. And I have really gone to town and stained these pretty well to reflect the age-old fairy realm that I'm projecting myself, if that's the right words. Photos, you put two or one big one, and these pages, you can either put photos in or just leave them as they are, or journal on them. Little stamps there, journal, secret notes in there. More photo space, and you can put photos up here, and more journaling. These are not as stained as the other ones. More journaling or photographs. It's nice to add photographs to your journaling, I expect. Okay, photographs, and in here we've got a little open window. You can see out the window. And in here we've got a little journaling card. And I'm just slipping that in there. Okay. Oops. over here we have a tiger's eye dragon claw, and I don't know, a saber tooth or something. Okay, pocket, and we've got another little booklet for journaling or photographs. Pretty sure that's a booklet, yep. And then two little journaling cards. And here, there's just another little journaling card. You can put photos up here. Just some bling just hanging from that little bit of lace there. And in here we've got lots, in this pocket we've got lots of those little journaling cards. Beautiful pictures. And this one, I love this one. This one you can see that little fairy behind the window there. I've lifted the window up just a little bit to give it some dimension. And inside there's a little fairy. Beautiful. That might frighten little girls these days. So it's really for an adult fairy lover. Okay, and I just put that in there, but you can put it wherever you want to. Okay, more journaling page. You can put a photo in here, or you could journal all the way around, depending on how you like to journal. Photos, more photos possibly. And we've got a little charm here that says handmade. More journaling space. A little silver charm, little flower. More photo space. I've really made it rustic and, well, not gothic, but just rustic. That's the only word I can think of. I know there's some words out there, but I just can't think of them. It's just beautiful. I personally wouldn't cover these up with photos. I would leave them. That's why I've put plenty of photo space in our journaling page. And here, with that sweet little bird. Here we've got two folders for journaling and or photos. That is just gorgeous. Without all that, that's my eldest son when he was 9 months old, a year old. You put photos here, little photos. And here we've got another little envelope. You got some fairies behind that window there. And in here we've got, that's what's behind the window. Smaller one of them. Okay, you could put a photo on this. And that looks good for some small photos there. More journaling pages. Journaling. This, we've got a pocket here. This is a fold out. It is a whole A4 sheet, and on the back you can put photos. Each one is sort of framed by all the distressing. There, more photos, and we've got a enamel heart here, and these little tickets. I've got beautiful pictures on. Great for journaling, just making little notes. And there's also a photo place there, photo mat. And here we have another little envelope with some butterflies in a bottle. Little journaling card. This paper, it looks like a little dragon or something. A beetle. And then this one has got like a bookmark, and that's just put on with a silver clip. And this could just go anywhere. I've just popped it there. Journaling, photo or journaling, and then these beautiful pictures on the back, and that's it. Just go back through it one more time. It's an amazing butterfly, that one. It almost looks steampunk, doesn't it? I'm glad I decided to do the photos as well as journaling, because I'm not really au fait with journaling. I'm not up there with it because I don't journal myself, so I don't know much about it. So, but I thought it would be nice to add some photo spaces so that you don't have to use them, you know. You could leave them beautiful as they are. And that tree is on the back. There's beautiful mushroom houses. Just a bit of bling. I'm guessing we've got some fairy writing here. This is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Little mushroom houses inside the tree of life. Beautiful. Okay, and that's it. string just a little bit larger. That's the tree on the back. Lots of beautiful danglies. Okay, I hope you'll make a comment on whether you like this or not. I love it, absolutely love it. But I'm not a journaler, it would be wasted on me. So it'll probably be going up in my shop at some stage soon. Okay, thank you for being with me for this. This is the second part. I just spoke about it before in another video. And now I've finished it. So much fun to do. Absolutely so much fun to do with these beautiful papers, you know. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me just... Okay, that's it for me for today. Doing things like this really helps my my hands become less painful. You keep moving them, you know, the arthritis really sticks in if you don't move them. So anywho, I love doing this. Okay, thanks for being with me for this one. This is such a short one. I thought I also had something else to show you, but I haven't, I don't think. No, I don't. I've got 2 projects on the go that I haven't quite finished, so we'll do them on a video. Okay, thanks guys. Bye for now.